Yeah. You getting tired? Are you getting tired, Lulu? And we just got a bouncy chair for the boat. We are at Turtle Crawl right now, but we're going to take it to the boat and hang it off the boom. Yeah. Very nice. Look at your tongue sticking out. Yeah. Okay. Say bye-bye.